This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Hey guys, welcome back to Total Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you 2 proven methods hackers use to break into any smartphone and read all of your text messages by just using your cell phone number. No physical access needed, no stealing out of your bag. Just you, your phone, and some person in the basement halfway across the world secretly reading all of your messages like it's their personal entertainment. If you guys enjoy this video, make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you don't miss out on any future content. And as always, if you have any questions or need any help, please leave me a message in the comments below and I will get back to you. Let's start with everyone's favorite way to get hacked: cell phone monitoring software. Few people realize this, but modern cell phone monitoring software does not require physical access to the target device in order to monitor all of its messages. Instead of downloading software to the phone directly, all you need to do is link the target's Apple ID with your online XSpy account. And from there, you'll be able to read all the target's chat on your phone going forward. Recently I had a client I will call Tracy, who needed help monitoring her teenage daughter's phone. Tracy explained to me that while she did have legal custody over her daughter, at the moment, her daughter was living away from home. So she needed a more reliable means to monitor her daughter's online activities in order to help keep her safe. Tracy and I came up with a plan where she would tell her own daughter that she had just won a free iPhone Pro Max from Apple. And in order to get it, her Apple representative would be contacting her and sending her an SMS just to confirm she is who she says she is. And once she confirms her identity, she would then get the new iPhone in the mail. I then used a spoofing service in order to change my caller ID and send Tracy's daughter a text message with a link to her iCloud login page and instructions to confirm her ID in order to win the phone. But here's what's really going on. That login page is actually owned by me. And once Tracy's daughter signed in, I then used her login credentials to link her Apple ID with her mother's online XSpy account. And from there, Tracy could immediately begin monitoring everything her daughter was doing on her phone. I never had to touch the phone, and the best part about this was Tracy's daughter had no idea that her mother was now secretly monitoring her device. Coming in at number 2, we have zero-click attacks. These are attacks that don't require the target to do anything. No clicking suspicious links, no downloading sketchy apps, nothing. You simply exist with your phone, and then boom, you're hacked. Zero-click attacks exploit vulnerabilities in the phone's operating system or in the apps you're using. Hackers find security holes in things like WhatsApp, iMessage, or even your phone's email app. They then send you a specially crafted message which automatically hacks your phone. You don't have to open it, you don't even have to read it. Just receiving it is enough to secretly infect your device. The message itself contains malicious code that exploits a bug in the software, giving hackers full access to your device. In 2021, there was a zero-click exploit called Pegasus that was used to hack journalists, activists, and political figures, and it successfully targeted over 50,000 iPhones around the world without the user doing anything. Apple eventually patched it, so they say, but here's the fun part. There are almost definitely more vulnerabilities that we don't know about yet. The worst part about zero-click attacks is that unlike the previous method, there really is nothing you can do to protect yourself. The attack happens at the software level, exploiting flaws that you didn't even know existed, so there's literally nothing you can do to stop it. If you guys are interested in learning more about how zero-click attacks are done in the real world, check out my playlist on ethical hacking. And again, if you have any questions about this video, please leave me a message in the comments below and I will get back to you. Thanks for watching.